Good morning, students. Today's our topic is graph of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so let's take an equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, so first of all we have to draw a table in which we have to find the two values of x and two values of y. So suppose this is the table, here is the value of x and it is the value of y. So first of all in the equation let x equal to 0. If we take x equal to 0, then 0 plus 2y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6 by 2, y is equal to 3. So y is equal to आ गया हमारे पास 3. Now this is the 3. Now again it is let y is equal to 0. We have taken y is equal to 0. Then that is x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 6. So x plus 0 is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6. The value of x is 6. Okay, so we have taken the two values, that is 2 points, that is 0, 3 and 6, 0. So we can draw the graph. So we can draw the graph on a Cartesian plane. So let's take the two axes. One is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is x-axis. So it is written as x dash x, and this is written as y dash. Okay, so divide this one axis into points. This is 1, this origin is 0, this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is 6. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so first point is 0, 3. So means x coordinate is 0 and y is 3. So this is 0, 3. The other coordinate is 6, 0. Means x is 6 and y is equal to 0. This is 6, 0. So we can connect these 2 points in this way. So this equation is about x plus 2y is equal to 6. So in this way we can draw the graph of linear equation in the two variables. Some more questions of the exercise. Some more question of the exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Let's take the question number 1. Question number 1. Draw the graphs of the linear equations. The first part is x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4. Now again it is we have to draw a table in which we have to take the two values x, y. So first of all let x is equal to 0. Okay, then put in the equation 0 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Okay, if x is 0 then y is equal to 4. Now let y is equal to 0, then 0 this is x plus 0 is equal to 4, then x is equal to 4. Okay, so value here it is, x is 4 and y is equal to 0. So again we can draw the graph of this. Okay, so draw the Cartesian plane. Draw the Cartesian plane. This is x axis and this is y axis. Okay, it is origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So on. Now the first point is 0, 4, means x is 0 and y is 4. This first point is that is 0, 4. The second point is 4, 0. This is the second point, 4, 0. So we can connect these 2 points. Okay, so this is the equation for the x plus y is equal to 4 of the linear equation. Okay, so similarly you can try the problems of the exercise 4.3, the first part. Now question number 2 of the exercise is, that is, give the equations of 2 lines passing through the points 2, 14. The point is 2, 14. Okay, the point is 2, 14. Okay, so basically we have to write the 2 equations which satisfy this one. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 16. This is the one equation, because if we put the value of x is 2 and y is 14, then it is equal to 16. This value satisfies the equation. Now next is, if we can write here x minus y is equal to minus 12. Okay, so if you put the value of x is 2 and y is equal to 14, then answer is again minus 12. So this is also satisfied this equation. So these are the equation of the 2 lines which satisfied these points. Next is question number 3. The question number 3 is, okay, the question number 3 is, if point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, then find the value of a. First of all, the equation is 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Okay, now the point, you can say the point is that is 3, 4 lies on the equation. This point lies on the equation. Okay, so for we have to put x equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. X equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. This is 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7. So this will be equal to 12 is equal to 3a plus 7, and 12 is equal to 3a. Now this one 7 is transposed to this side. This is minus 7. So this is equal to 5 is equal to 3a. Okay, 5 is equal to 3a. Now you can write here this a is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, now similarly question number 4 of this exercise, the taxi fare in a city. The taxi fare in a city is follows. For the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent kilometer is 5. taking the distance covered as x and the total fare is rupees y. Write a linear equation. Okay, so first of all we will write here, let the total distance is equal to x. Let the total fare is equal to rupees y. Now you will write here, fare for first kilometer is equal to rupees 8. Fare for subsequent kilometer, fare for subsequent kilometer is equal to rupees 5. Okay, so next is according to question. Okay, according to question, fare for the first kilometer, that is 8 into 1. Okay, and now number of kilometer left from x, it is x minus 1, and for these kilometer the fare is rupees 5, and this will be equal to total fare y. This is equal to 8 plus 5 into x, 5x minus 5 is equal to y. This will be equal to 5x plus 3 is equal to y, or you can say that this is 5x minus y is equal to minus 3. So this is the equation for this situation. Now you have to find the coordinates of x and y for drawing the graph. Okay, so similar way you can complete this exercise and this question also. Thank you for